Hello everybody! On this video, we're going to talk about the differences between Shopify versus Shopify Plus. At Optimum 7, we have done thousands of platform migrations in the past 10 years. BigCommerce to Shopify, WooCommerce to Shopify, Magento to Shopify, Volusion to Shopify, 3D Cart Shift4Shop to Shopify. So we know the Shopify infrastructure really well and all the functionalities of both Shopify and Shopify Plus. And on this video, we will guide you in the right direction in terms of the difference between Shopify and Shopify Plus. How do I migrate from Shopify to Shopify Plus? Well, it's not really a migration if you are upgrading Shopify to Shopify Plus. You just call up Shopify or contact Optimum 7 and we'll be happy to guide you in the right direction. And we put in the request and you get a dedicated account manager, and your account manager and the agency that you're working with, in this case Optimum 7 ideally, we will guide you in the right direction in terms of how you upgrade to Shopify Plus. But you don't need to change any infrastructure or change databases or change your template structure. We might make some suggestions based on conversion optimization elements, as well as some checkout, upsell functionalities to really maximize your average order volume. We might make suggestions on how to make your website run faster with headless technologies. We might make suggestions in terms of your search and filter functionalities and implement an AI search and filter. Anytime we're doing an upgrade or anytime we're doing a migration, we always want to improve the technology so that you can compete better. If you have any questions about Shopify or Shopify Plus capabilities, pricing, infrastructure, comment below or contact us at optimum7.com and we'll be happy to guide you in the right direction.